Okay, now let's start fusing machine. So fusing machine are used to continue and flat bed, fusing press and high frequency fusing and hand cut. Now continuous fusing press. So in this machine, the part of the garment and the interlining are placed upon another property from the stiffening fabric, among other things. So one endless loop or fluid shared feed sheet and feed in a flat finish. So the feed sheet carries this part and the interlining to the fusing chamber. In the fusing chamber, the required pressure and heat are given to transmission of heat in the interlining. A direct or indirect method is applied. After applied the heat, the required the pressure is applied to the interlining with the help of a pair of rollers. So the surface of the roller is generally covered by the hard rubber with the help of strings or a panamic powder. The pressure is created in the rollers and there is an arrangement of the increasing or decreasing heat. So the time is determined through the controller of the speed of the endless feed sheet. So just after the fusing part are removed carefully from the delivery sheet and in the flat condition. So because during the removing of the fusing part in the heating condition, any folding created there are maybe permanent. So one worker is the feeding and other worker is the easily accepting the fusing parts on the conveyance side. So the production of continuing machine is high and the quality of fusing is also good. It's some machines for a durable and durable fusing. There is an automatically feedback system. So this is the most used machine in the garment industry, and these are the often used to apply the best tape that sticks to fabric. So you can see the picture of continuing fusing machine. Next, advertising. So the production of the continuing machine is a really high and quality is the fusing is a very good. For this reason, it is mostly used in a garment industry. There is no shrinkage, no fabric utilizing. So there is no any fabric shrink. So this advertising high cost because of large area, and there is a difference of pressure in the fluid diameter of the roller and the bond strength between the component will be different. So uses an application. It is a suitable of a woven and knitting fabric. So wall roll fabric and interlining are fusing because the pressure is applied for a short time on the interlining and the fabric. So less chance of the pile of the fabric to be damaged. So the pressure is applied for a short time, so there is a no chance of fabric shrinkage and during the application of the heat. So next is a flatbed fusing press. So in this machine, there are a general two beds. One that is a static carded buck and the other is a movable carded head. So interlining and the garment component is positioned first and placed on the buck. The top of the buck is covered by some soft pad and made of fabric. So blanket or silicone rubbers. The surface buck and the head are covered with the fabric having a coating of a PPEF. So for the coating, the bank designs dust or spot can easily be cleaned. So flathead fusing press machine, the heating system may be electrically or steam. So application of temperature, pressure and time could be preset in the machine. So hence the fusing condition are the maintenance, and the first part of the garment which is the fusing is the placed flatly. So there is a resin surface of the interlining is placed carefully on this. So due to the switch operation, the head move downward and come in a contact with the bird, and create a pressure is applied in the components. So components interline. So temperature is applied through the head on the wall surface, and after a specific time, so the head move upwards. So after apply this pressure and heat up to specific time, the head is separate from the head. So when the cooling of the fusing parts and air sucking fan in the book is made operations. So for this sucking the air within the book and the fuse part are very cool and very swiftly. So going up of the hand and sucking of the air within the bug for a specific time. So this job are set in the circular and order in a many machine. So advantages is temperature, pressure, and fusing time can be set again as per the value. So expect for pile fabric, mostly for all fabric, the machine can be used to low force. And the naturally ironing of the garment can also be done with the machine, and trying to reduce fabric shrinkage, easy to cleanable, and disadvantages is not suitable for a large scale production. To get a good quality fusing, the temperature, pressure and fusing time has to be checked, and sometimes head and works had to be a change. तो हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी फ्यूजिंग क्या है कि ये है कि उस आप लोग को देखते होंगे कि फ्यूजिंग मशीन जो है ना वो this type of machines quietly different to the continuing fusing machine. बहुत ही ज़्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस करती है और ये उससे भी ज़्यादा करती है. So because in this machine heat is created the same as a microwave cookers, and the fabric and interlining are arranged in stacks and placed between two metal plates of the fusing machine, and the upper plate exerts pressure on the pile of the fabric and the interlining with the help of steam pressure. So within the material between the plates and the high speed, so high frequency heat is generally within the material. So this heat is generally uniformly at the time on the every corner of the fabric and web. So for the generation of the heat, water is immersed, and the difference between water vapor, the difference is the heat may be also happens. So required fusing time depend on the electrically power of the machine and the high of the layer of the fabric. But in this type of machine, it takes 1 to 3 minutes for a fuse. Advantages. So production rate is high, and disadvantages for the using this time of the machine. Lots of fusion has to take care of EG and the setting of the fiber, and the high of the lay of the fabric amount of water weapon in this fabric. So proper setting of the machine are the main problem. So because of complies setting, there may be overfusing or underfusing. This type of machine is a minimal. So bigger risk of defective products is the two disadvantages. Next is the hand iron. Hand iron, there are variation trouble during the fusing of the three permanent of temperature, pressure or fusing time can be controlled. The operator estimate the time is minutes. So the interlining which are fusing from very low temperature and pressure are fusing at the hand. So the strength of the bond in this method is very weak. For better result, after sewing the garment with the fusing again, the final fusing is done. This little part can be fused with any level of program after marks only by the pressing the iron for 6 times onto the fusing. So covering the region bit by bit and utilize seams to enable the bond to move. So during the washing of the garment, students, the bond between the interline and the garment may be separate. Both are separate with the washing of the garment. So thank you, students. Hope you all are understand fusing machines. Thank you.